Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to make a Bluetooth speaker. So let's get started. For this project we need this Bluetooth module. It has 5 pins. This 2 is for power supply pin. Here we have to supply plus 5 volt, and these 3 are output pin, left out, right out and ground. In the last 2 videos, I have shown PAM8406 and PAM8403. The pin diagram of both the amplifier circuit is similar. We can use this module with both of them. For this video, I'll use 8406. Now let's see the circuit diagram. Right out pin of the module to the right in pin of the amplifier circuit, left out to the left in, ground to the ground. We have to make all the connections of the ground. VCC pin of the amplifier circuit to the plus 5 volt, also with the Bluetooth module. We need 2 speakers, positive pin of the right speaker to the right out positive pin, negative pin of the right speaker to the right out negative pin, positive pin of left speaker to the left out positive, and negative pin to the left out negative. So this is how we have to connect this amplifier circuit with the Bluetooth module. Soldering the wires to the Bluetooth module. According to the circuit diagram, the connections are done. Turning on the power supply. Turn on Bluetooth. Here we'll get 3 BT. This is our device. The device is connected. Now we can play our music. So this is how you can make Bluetooth speaker. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.